So what's up my Jamaican people, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. And tonight we have a very shocking news about Junelle Bromified. So before I continue, in case this happens to be your first time here on this YouTube channel, do me a favor to first like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now Junelle Bromified recently sent a very shocking message to the whole Jamaican people. And if you are a Jamaican, you're watching this video, you need to get to know what Junelle Bromified said and the message that she has for the people that were disrespecting her. Now let me remind you, rewind your memory that recently Junelle Bromified got fired by Jamaicans. She got insulted by some Jamaicans, literally, because Lyles was splitted that she has been telling him a lot of secret about the MVP track clubs, about Jamaicans in general. So Jamaicans were very angry and they started insulting Junelle Bromified. Now this is the message that Junelle Bromified has. Junelle Bromfield has, and she said, "I grew up hearing black is not beautiful. Your hair is dry. Your mouth is too big. Your forehead is too high. And when you throw all those insults behind you and start working with confidence, the best compliment you get is, oh, you're pretty for a black girl. I honestly thought we were past colorisms in Jamaica, especially as a nation that is filled with black people. I have been getting cyber bullied for weeks, and when it gets talked about, I am a liar, because no Jamaican was coming for my futures. I could go off ranting, but I am just here to tell all the girls and women on my profile that you are beautiful no matter your shade, shape or size. And for the little black girls, don't wait on anybody to tell you that you are beautiful." Now I know a lot of Jamaicans will hate me for saying this. Now insulting Junelle Bromfield for what she did is not actually totally bad, because I feel like some people were pissed off, but insulting her and going to the extent of sending her a death threat on social media is a total big no from me. Jamaicans, you guys need to really calm down, okay? Because Junelle Bromified shared a picture of a guy that threatens to kill her if she comes back to Jamaica. Now the write-up you're seeing on your screen here is the chat that the guy sent to Junelle Bromified. As you can see, he said, if you come back to Jamaica, you are gone. And I feel like this is a big no from me. Like, you can insult her, okay, but going to the extent of sending her a death threat is a total big no. I do not accept it. I am not part of this. Trust me, I am not part of it. Now let me share with you what Lyles also has to say about this whole situation, because Lyles himself reacted to what Junelle Bromfield said on social media. So Lyles reacted after Junelle posted what she posted on social media, and he said, "My baby Junelle, you are and will always be an inspiration to all little girls feeling this exact same way. I can't wait for the day that you tell your story in full, because every girl that has felt what you are going through will know how amazing they can be and go on to do amazing things." So this is what Lyles said in reply to what Junelle posted on her Instagram account. Now let me express my opinion, because I feel like Junelle is an amazing athlete. You know why? And the reason why I like Junelle is the fact that she is natural, she doesn't bleach, and again, she's very beautiful, right? And I really wish her the best. I wish her the best. And to people that are dragging her, calling her names, I just want you to know that Junelle is covered by God, like she's protected by God, and there's nothing you can do about it. Make sure to like and subscribe.